Okay, next we're going to talk about TeamViewer installation and setup. So, to get TeamViewer, go to TeamViewer.com and they'll ask you to accept their cookies. And then down here, download for free. And once it's downloaded, ready to go, you click on TeamViewer Setup. It would take you through the wizard to install TeamViewer. Once you have TeamViewer installed, then you double click on the TeamViewer icon, and to allow your coach or instructor to connect up and either share files with you or instruct you with using your desktop, then just when you open TeamViewer window, click on the remote control tab here, which is top left column, and here is the ID that you'll need to tell to your instructor, and then the instructor after that will ask for the temporary password. The temporary password here, which resets every time you close TeamViewer and relaunch it, or every time you restart your computer to a new password. So this is your temporary password. Just as a note, it's always lowercase letters. And so once you do that, then your instructor can connect up and share files, and also demonstrate to you on your desktop, remote desktop, what needs to be done. Okay, so that's TeamViewer.